going on, y'all? It's your boy King Daytona. Just want to give y'all another rundown of the car, a little more in-depth detail. It is a little dirty right now, so just kind of ignore that. You see that, it's cool. But right off the bat, I did come from a 2013 Jetta GLI. That was a 4-door. That was a pretty cool car for my first car. It wasn't a V8, guys, so you know I had to upgrade. But I do love the space and the Charger. Honestly, I love the Challenger too, but I just kind of fell in love with the Daytona package on the Charger, and so I just went to the dealership. Love the little details. As you can see, they got Daytona, and then on the seats, Daytona. But I picked this up from the Nissan in Monroe. Shout out to them for really making the deal happen. They made the buying process really smooth and really fast. Really good people there. Shout out to Ryan and shout out to Jonathan, the two sales managers that really made it happen. The whole team there is really good. If you want any type of car, I would go there and buy it. Any car, used car. I don't want to make this video too long. Just want to go over some of the features that's on the car. So it is a 2020 Daytona Charger, RT 5.7. You can see here some of the features. My favorite thing is the telephone, hands-free. Car had 12,000 miles, you can see 12,086 miles on it. Now it has, oh, let's turn it back on. Like I said, it's a little dirty. But at the performance page, let me close the door. So that beeping. The apps. Hold on. I love the drive modes. How you can customize the steering wheel. You even got launch control. Let's see. I think my favorite thing is gonna be the performance pages. I messed with that a little bit. I've only had the car for 3 days. I just got it Friday. What I noticed is these performance pages take a little bit to load. I'm not complaining though. I really don't care. But it's pretty cool to look at when they're driving because it's real time, showing you how much power you're gonna be making, the torque, and your oil pressure. Also shows you the gear. Another favorite thing is the hood. Pop that. Let me actually start the car. My favorite thing to start up is a V8. Never gets old. Hopefully I can open the hood and still keep recording. Oh, don't want to forget the headlights, y'all. One thing about Chargers are those headlights when you come down the road. It is amazing. And the Hemi on top. Here we go. You see a lot of cold air intake that they give you with the Daytona package. See, it's 5.7 with a V8. Another favorite thing, the Daytona on the back. Satin black in the hood. And you got the exhaust note. Can't forget about the trunk. There's a whole lot more trunk space than my last car. A whole lot more trunk space, y'all. That's pretty much it for this video. Just want to kind of give a more in-depth view of the car. Let me know what you guys, let me know what else you guys want to see. And we'll leave it at that.